banana and bacon. The history of this combo is kind of murky, but rumor has it that it was invented by Elvis Presley. Salty, crispy bacon combined with sweet, carb-heavy banana makes a perfect mix. Put these ingredients on a slice of bread, add some peanut butter, and your ideal sandwich is ready.
Okay, I love peanut butter and banana toast. Would I put bacon on it?
No. Would you? Are you considering this?
Okay, I've never tried bacon. I've only tried turkey bacon. I
like turkey bacon, but I don't want it with banana.
Okay, banana. No, but some sweet and salty things do go together, like chicken waffles with maple syrup. That's nice. That's completely different, though. I don't know why I brought that up.
This one's a no for me.
Cheerios,
Ew.
uncooked hot dogs, milk, and a side of cheese.
Uncooked hot dog?
Ew, why?
That's not real.
And why is the slice of cheese just so sadly over there?
This isn't real. There's no way you eat that and your stomach just go and like just regurgitate it immediately.
Those combos aren't happening. At least cut up the sausage and put it in the cereal. Dude, at least I'm trying to make it better.
Milk.
Pizza and Nutella. People have invented countless variations of sweet pizza.
But
the one with Nutella
No, I don't mind pizza and Nutella, but there's like Nutella
popular.
on like the
What's its
pizza
secret?
toppings.
I guess it's all about the delicious mix of melted cheese and sweet hazelnut spread.
The cheese Nutella and crust, I feel like would actually melt well together and taste good.
Okay, so I made a face because I thought it was like a regular like vegetarian pizza with Nutella on top, which is gross. A normal Nutella pizza, brilliant.
But they're saying with the cheese and stuff.
I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I love cheese, so I would try
And I love Nutella.
All right.
What's up, guys? I'm your host, Joss Bernard.
I'm your other host, Eamon Hassan.
Stick around until the end because Eamon and I are actually going to try a gross food combo that people apparently eat. And it's gonna be disgusting probably, but watch us try it.
Which one of us is gonna vomit, if any? I don't wanna do it. I don't wanna do it.
I'll be the one.
Chocolate and avocado. And I don't only mean adding a bit of chocolate to your avocado toast,
I think this could be
although
very
the
good.
very idea makes me, well, anyway. You can also make a mouth-watering avocado and chocolate milkshake,
Oh, I've heard
where
of
the buttery
pudding. I've heard of
texture of the
pudding. And the
avocado
pudding's
will
actually good,
perfectly
guys.
complement the flavor of the chocolate.
Because like most vegan like cakes and stuff, they make it with avocado and chocolate.
Yeah, I've actually had avocado pudding because they use just like cocoa powder.
I love it.
It's delicious.
I like it. This is a yes from us.
This is a yes.
Yeah.
I would eat this, 100%.
It's a yes from us.
I wish we had a yes and no button.
Yeah.
Chocolate dip pickles nearly broke the internet back
you
in
would
2017
love-
after being lauded by Delish writer Lena Abraham. Since then, people have tried the delicacy in droves. And predictably, opinions tend to be split down the middle as to whether they actually taste any good.
Bring it.
I'll eat anything dipped in dark chocolate.
Some have praised the salty
Facts.
sweet combo, while Bustle reported others have noted the complementary
good that
nature of the
looks. Are you
flavors
kidding
themselves.
me?
That does not
Critics,
look good
however,
from any
have turned their
angle.
noses up at the strange
Where's
mouthfeel of a
this?
soft pickle and a
Where
hard
is this
chocolate
located?
shell. Try it for yourself and check
looks
out
like
the
a
new
turd.
pickle experience.
It does.
Looks like I would eat this.
Oh my god.
Like, please make these for me for my birthday. I'm not even kidding. I don't want a cake.
Just, oh my god.
I want some chocolate pickles. You wouldn't try it?
No, the only time I have pickles is like in like a burger. I never have pickles like
Deep fried pickles.
No, I've never had it.
Amen. Oh, our friendship's over right in this moment.
You know, I never liked pickles. I only started liking them a year ago. At least I'm liking them now. You know? There's that. Growth, people. It's all about growth.
I'm just so disappointed in you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
That is well done steak,
Bananas
with ketchup and milk.
And milk. The banana and ketchup, though, like steak and ketchup, fine.
Yeah,
that's
I
like
get
a burger almost, but like banana.
But like some meats go well with like fruits. I don't know about the ketchup. I don't know.
An apple with steak, maybe.
I've been watching a lot of like cooking shows lately, and like it's all about the balance of flavors, the umami, and like the acidity.
This is no balance. This is there's no balance here. This is heavily on the wrong side. No balance.
The texture's all off.
Just chewy steak and mushy banana. No.
Tomato and peanut butter. Put several slices of tomato on a piece of bread and spread some peanut butter over it.
That's
or
like
just slather a thick layer of peanut butter over a slice of tomato.
Disgusting.
This taste combination is surprisingly popular with many foodies.
Who are these foodies? please, no.
I don't like tomatoes.
I rebuke this. Oh, I
don't
like tomatoes.
No, I don't like sliced. It's just so mushy and it kind of tastes like armpit. It 100% tastes like armpit. I can just have like tomato sauce. That's it. And ketchup.
You've tried an armpit?
I just can imagine what it would taste like.
A tomato is what an armpit would taste like.
Yeah, literally.
I like tomatoes. I don't like cherry tomatoes, but I like tomatoes.
I can just feel it in my mouth right now. The texture's all wrong.
Oh, I should have brought tomatoes.
Chips on a sandwich. There's nothing comparable to a chip buddy or a crisp sandwich. Both are amazing.
I
I love
mean,
crisp sandwiches. So good, especially
French
with
fries
salt
on a
and vinegar.
sandwich?
Oh, I've
I'm
tried
into
this.
it.
I've tried this. It's so good.
I'm into that.
Back home in our shawarmas, they just put French fries in there, and it was so good.
They do? In Dubai?
Yeah. Because there's just a bit of potato, a bit of chicken, and a bit of oil.
That's sweet. I gotta go to Dubai.
Oh, it's so good.
Wow.
I would try it. I think I've done this actually. Guys, just remember we just made our Instagram. We have a Facebook page where we post exclusive content, so check them out if you haven't already.
They are linked down below after this video. Go give us a follow. That's it.
That's all we got.
Moving on.
Nutella and French fries.
Yup.
Yeah.
Salt
that's
tends
it.
to enhance taste and flavor.
That's what I'm
why,
talking
if
about,
you
baby.
slather some Nutella over your French fries, this famous hazelnut cocoa spread will taste
Yes.
even
I wanna
sweeter
try that
and
now.
nuttier.
Yeah, that would
No
be
pun
very, very
intended.
good.
Another way to
With
enjoy
some
your
salt
French
on the
fries
fries.
even more is to wash them down with a chocolate milk cocktail.
Oh,
Yep.
yes.
I know people that do that. They dip it in their ice cream and
Yes,
stuff.
every time I get like an ice cream from McDonald's and fries,
Yep.
dip it, eat it, love it. Okay.
That's another yes button if we had
Yes,
one.
yes button. Okay, you know what I've done? You know tortilla chips? Instead of having salsa, I scoop Nutella. It's really, really good. No, trust. Just imagine. Instead of salsa, it's just Nutella. It's really
I like
good.
the cheese spread. The orange fake cheese.
The queso?
Yeah, because it's all fake cheese, so
Yeah.
like I can eat it. Because it's so processed, so don't do nothing to my belly.
Banana and mayo. No, I don't encourage you to squeeze a healthy portion
Oh,
of mayonnaise
no.
on a peeled banana
no.
and stuff it in your mouth. But hey, go ahead if you want. However, if you sandwich a sliced banana
Ew.
between two pieces of bread
Stop it.
and coat it with mayo,
Oh, okay.
you might be in for a pleasant surprise.
Okay.
No.
No, I kind of see this because the best way to make a grilled cheese is to put mayo on the top.
Butter.
Oh, is it not mayo? No, it's mayo. Gordon Ramsay said it was mayo, and I believe Gordon Ramsay. Oh, would I try this? No.
This is a sin.
No.
This is literally sin. Like, I rebuke it.
Mayo and banana, like, it's just not,
Ew.
like, because mayo's kind of like sweet-ish, and so are bananas, like, what? I'm just not getting
not
all the
into it.
salty, you know?
That's a no for me.
Yeah, it's a maybe from me.
Peanut butter and cheese, toasted.
Peanut butter and dill pickle sandwich.
Peanut butter and most things. If most peanut butters weren't so full of sugar, that would be great.
I love
Okay.
peanut butter. I do like peanut butter.
Peanut butter and pickles, I tried in my
Yeah.
strange food combos video. Actually good. And I was
Really?
so freaked out because I'm like, this is gonna ruin pickles for me. I tried it and it was actually very tasty. And I use natural peanut butter, guys, without sugar.
Just to let you know, it's all organic here.
Yeah. And it was actually tasty. Just saying.
Well, I haven't had much. I've actually just had a PB&J and PB and banana. I'm boring.
You are boring.
I'm sorry.
Mustard and peanut butter on a burger. I discovered this from a pregnancy craving for a friend I was a surrogate boyfriend for.
I was a surrogate boyfriend for.
I have tried a top bun peanut butter and Nutella, bottom bun ketchup and mustard burger. We were camping, it seemed a novel idea. Surprised that it was actually good. The best part was, if you flipped the burger it would change to the other set of flavors, and mostly, mute whatever was on the bottom. I had several people try it to confirm I wasn't a certified goblin.
Okay, I've heard about peanut butter in a lot of things, including burgers, and
Yes.
apparently it's really good. So it's a massive yes for me.
I would try it because I've heard it's
Yeah.
good, but just the thought of that, like the mustard with the peanut butter.
Yeah.
Oof, I
and
don't
you
know.
you probably are a satisfied goblin.
Yeah.
Surrogate boyfriend.
Yeah,
I've heard of surrogate like girls, like surrogate mom.
I was confused by
Surrogate
that
boyfriend?
story.
I'm confused.
I have more questions about that than the peanut butter sandwich.
Do tell. We'll get in touch with you after the video.
Dark chocolate and Parmesan cheese are scientifically proven to be a weird yet amazing food pairing.
Out of all the comments,
Who
I
proved this?
reacted with the strongest WTF to this pairing. Now, I need it.
Hershey's chocolate is made to have a slight parmesan undertone to
You're
it.
lying.
What? No.
What?
Hershey's
Scientific,
not
like
taste
what?
like-
Bill Nye the Science Guy
Yeah.
like proved this. No.
No, I would still try it. I love cheese. I like Nutella. I would try it. Oh, it's not Nutella.
It's just dark chocolate.
I
Dark
hate-
chocolate, not milk chocolate.
I don't like dark chocolate.
Bitter with Parmesan. That smells like feet.
Yeah. Oh, I like smelly cheese. The smellier the better.
But you won't eat tomatoes that smell like armpits?
No, they don't smell like armpit. They taste like armpit.
Guess who's back? The pickle you didn't
I
dip
would
in
drink that
chocolate
whole
is
jar.
running a
Oh my
side hustle.
God, I know you
According to
would.
Delish, the Chickle is a pickle filled with warm chicken.
Oh!
And it's all thanks to minor league baseball's Fresno
Oh,
Grizzlies, who
yup.
invented the Chickle for a 2-game series against the Nashville Sounds in 2017.
I will try this.
Just imagine
Come
the
on
size
now.
of this pickle that you could put chicken inside of it.
It sounds amazing.
I know
That
you
sounds
need to take a
with
trip,
some
take a road
mustard
trip.
on the
Despite its
side.
limited release, the Chickle made
I would
headlines
watch
across the world.
baseball every
Metro
day
called
just
it
to go get
deeply
this.
unsettling.
Fucking, I
Mashable
don't even
noted
know
it
what's
was either
happening in the game,
genius
just
or
give me one of these
disgusting.
pickles.
And Wide Up and Eats described it as, quote, everything you could want from chicken
Yo,
inside
tell
a
me that
pickle.
doesn't look unreal.
That actually
Are you
looks quite
kidding?
good. It's
And
like
it's
a hot.
warm.
It's like a hot dog, but instead of like the hot dog, it's a pickle.
Hashtag the chickle.
I would like.
I'm gonna
this,
make
I
me some
think.
chickles at home in the oven. So we're at the end.
Yes.
We gotta try. We gotta try the gross.
Bro.
Can you get
Yeah.
it? It's right there. All right, guys.
I'm nervous.
I am too. All right, so a gross food combo. Everyone says some fruit with ketchup is apparently decent. We've got some ketchup and apple slices, and we gonna try it. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a fan of ketchup. Do you like ketchup?
I like ketchup. I do.
The smell right now is making me like a little wheezy. Like I'm not a big ketchup person. And
Do you want to stop what we're holding? Yeah.
all right, so I've got some red apple with like red
I've
yellow.
got some red ketchup.
No! You have to take a bite. You can't chicken out.
Okay.
Okay, but do I
Wait,
have
how
to-
much are we dipping? We need a scoop.
Dude, that's a lot.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
I can smell the ketchup.
Okay.
Where's the camera?
Damn, dude.
We not muscling around here.
Oh
we said
my
we do
God.
it, and we are
Okay.
women of our word. All right.
Are we putting the whole thing in the
cheers.
mouth? Or
No,
just-
the bite.
Okay.
Cheers. Okay. I'm
Okay,
scared.
on
I
three.
smell it.
Oh,
Okay.
Chris,
You better do it.
Producer Chris, you want to count us down? I will do it. Okay.
3, 2, 1. How is it?
I hate everything about this.
Oh,
Amy likes it.
it's quite nice. I like that. I really like that. The apple's like. Wait, let me finish my bite.
That's so bad.
I would do another one.
What?
No, it's quite nice. The ketchup is like acidic. Should I do another one? Just for banter. Should I put the whole thing in my mouth?
Extra ketchup too.
You actually enjoy this?
I actually do. That was
Amen.
quite nice.
That combo.
I thought it was gonna be. Okay, are you ready?
When I started chewing that apple and it got mushy with the ketchup, like that's when it was like,
No, I like the like sourness of the ketchup and like the.
you actually. That's nuts. Chris, do you want to try a piece?
I'll try it. Yeah.
Actually, I'll do a little bit. You actually.
No, you have to give him like
He
a
can't. Oh, Chris, put your hand in the camera. All right, producer Chris is gonna try one. Stay close. You can
Go
give
on,
your
Chris.
feedback. No, come on. That was not a good face.
It's not interesting. I wouldn't do it, but
But you're not gonna throw up.
It's not bad.
It's gross.
it's not bad, but it's not good.
Fair. All right. There. I think that's the good. It's not bad, but it's not like good. Like where you'd be like, oh, I really want some apple. and
I'd like to
ketchup.
redact my statement. I still have the apple stuck in my throat, sorry. When I ate the whole thing, there was like this aftertaste of ketchup that was really strong and I didn't like it.
I'm telling you guys.
Little bites, you guys.
Not good. All right, guys. Let us know in the comments what weird food combos you guys like.
And try this combo if you haven't already. Let us know if you like it like me or you hate it like Joss. Or you're iffy about it like producer Chris.
Until next time. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, the bun. It's much better.
Yeah, it really is.
God. I'm gonna have a different bun every time we film. Every video would say had a
It's
different
gonna be
bun.
like here. Hi guys.
That'd be cool. The bun.
10, 3.
The bun!
Oh, wait. Do you have another pen?
It's okay.
Did you put it in there?
No, we
Just
don't
shove it
have
in
time.
there. Just shove it in there.
Just hide it.
It's so cute and like bouncy.
Move!
Just shove it in.
I'm trying, Eamon.
I was lit.
Dubai was lit.
5, 3, 2, 1.
My head